Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Korean ebook before it's gone.
Do you know how to ask someone to do something in Korean? You'll learn how in just a moment. Hi, my name is Joyce, and this is 3-Step Korean by KoreanClass101.com. In this lesson, you'll learn how to ask someone to do something through a quick conversation. Let's look at the dialogue. As you listen, pay attention to how they ask about the topic and how the other person responds. 다현 씨, 김치찌개 만드는 법을 가르쳐 주실 수 있어요? 물론이죠. 같이 만들까요? 좋아요. 첫 번째는 뭐예요? 냄비에 물을 조금 넣으세요. 그리고 양파, 김치, 파를 자르세요. 다 했어요. 그 다음은 뭐예요? 그 다음 물을 끓이고 재료를 넣고 잠깐 기다리세요. 소금은 넣지 마세요. Let's break it down. 다현 씨, 김치찌개 만드는 법을 가르쳐 주실 수 있어요? 다현 씨 addresses the listener, 다현, with 씨, an honorific suffix similar to Mr. or Miss, but used more naturally in Korean. 김치찌개 만드는 법을 is the object of the sentence. 김치찌개 means kimchi stew. 김치찌개, 김치찌개. 만드는 is the modifying form of 만들다, meaning to make. 만드는, 만드는. 법 means method or way, and 을 is the object marker, indicating that this phrase is what someone is being asked to teach. 법을, 법을. Put together, it all means how to make kimchi stew. 가르쳐 주실 수 있어요? Is the main verb phrase forming a polite request. 가르쳐 is the conjugated form of 가르치다, meaning to teach. 가르쳐, 가르쳐. 주실 comes from 주시다, the honorific form of 주다, which means to give and indicates politeness or respect. 주실, 주실. 수 있어요? Literally asks whether someone is able or willing to perform an action. 수 있어요. 수 있어요. Combined, 가르쳐 주실 수 있어요? Asks, could you teach me in a polite way? 가르쳐 주실 수 있어요. 가르쳐 주실 수 있어요. Putting it all together, 다현 씨, 김치찌개 만드는 법을 가르쳐 주실 수 있어요? Translates to, 다현, could you teach me how to make kimchi stew? 물론이죠. 같이 만들까요? Of course. Shall we make it together? 좋아요. 첫 번째는 뭐예요? Sounds good. What's the first step? 냄비에 물을 조금 넣으세요. 그리고 양파, 김치, 파를 자르세요. Put a little water in the pot. Then cut the onion, kimchi, and green onion. 다 했어요. 그 다음은 뭐예요? All done. What's next? 그 다음 물을 끓이고 재료를 넣고 잠깐 기다리세요. 소금은 넣지 마세요. Next, boil the water and add the ingredients. Then wait a moment. Don't add salt. Let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern is the structure that all of our examples will follow. Object plus stem plus 아 or 어 or 여 plus 주실 수 있어요? Can you? Verb plus object for me. In Korean, this is a polite way to ask someone if they can do something for you. Object shows what you want done. Stem plus a or 어 or ya indicates the verb stem, with the appropriate ending based on the last vowel of the stem. 주실 수 있어요? Is a polite expression meaning, can you do it? Or are you able to do it for me? Let's see how a line from the dialogue follows this pattern. 김치찌개 만드는 법을 가르쳐 주실 수 있어요? Here, 김치찌개 means kimchi stew, and 만드는 is the modifying form of 만들다, which means to make. 법 is method, followed by 을, which marks it as the object of the request. Together, 김치찌개 만드는 법을 all forms the object of the pattern. 가르쳐 is the verb stem of 가르치다 plus the 어 ending. Here it appears as 쳐 because 치 plus 어 becomes 쳐. This fills the stem plus a or 어 or 여 part of the pattern. Lastly, we have 주실 수 있어요? This part doesn't change even when the topic and verb stem do, and is the main focus of the sentence pattern. Now let's look at some speaking examples. 가방을 들어주실 수 있어요? Can you carry my bag? Can you see how the pattern applies here? Let's break it down. Here, 가방을 is the object marked by the particle 을. 들어 is the verb stem of 들다 plus the 어 ending, changing 들다 to 들어. And then we have the polite ending, 주실 수 있어요? Here's another example. 한국어를 가르쳐 주실 수 있어요? Can you teach me Korean? 한국어를 가르쳐 주실 수 있어요? Can you teach me Korean? Let's try just one more. 이 문을 열어주실 수 있어요? Can you open this door for me? 이 문을 열어주실 수 있어요? Can you open this door for me? Thank you for watching. Now you know how to ask someone to do something in Korean. And now you can move on to the practice. 다음 시간에 봐요.